Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss about the most economical or we can say most efficient channel. Okay, so first of all I'll use some highlighter to highlight the topic which we'll be studying currently. Okay, so this is the topic, most economical or most efficient channel section. First of all, focus on the definition. A channel section is considered to be most economical or most efficient when it can pass maximum discharge for a given cross section. Maximum discharge for a given cross section. Uh, Maximum discharge for a given cross section. 1 minute. Resisting coefficient and for given weight slope. Suppose we have a rectangular channel. Okay, it is laid at some slope. We don't know. It is laid at some slope, having some roughness coefficient. That means it is made up of some material which is having some roughness, and that roughness is given by its roughness coefficient. So it can be x, कुछ भी x वैल्यू है रफनेस कोफिशिएंट की, उसका एक गिवन स्लोप है. तो ये रेक्टेंगुलर चैनल मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल या मोस्ट इफिशिएंट कहलाएगा जब ये इस गिवन क्रॉस सेक्शन में मैक्सिमम डिस्चार्ज देगा. तो बच्चों मोस्ट इफिशिएंट तो हो गया मैक्सिमम डिस्चार्ज. नाउ विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल. सो मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल होगा व्हेन इट्स पेरीमीटर इज मिनिमम. Suppose we have this rectangular channel of width v and depth y. This is the depth of flow y. So its perimeter is b plus 2y. So for this channel to be most economical, this perimeter should be minimum, and at the same time, with this perimeter to be minimum and with the given cross section, it should give the maximum discharge. So these are some things which need to be kept in mind while selecting a most economical or most efficient channel section. Okay, so first of all we will see the most economical rectangular channel section. Okay, so we will be doing the most economical rectangular channel having width b. So I have chosen a section of width b, depth y. Okay, depth y. So I have already told you the condition for a most efficient or economical section, that its perimeter should be minimum. So b plus 2y should be equal to p, which is minimum. Now we know the width of the cross section, yani width of rectangular channel is not going to change. So this is the perimeter, which is p is equals to b plus 2y. Now in this rectangular channel the width is not going to change. जो हमने बना दी width that will be same. वो अलग चीज़ है कि erosion, scoring और silting की वजह से that can change, but for that we are not considering that part in analyzing this question. So b is not going to change, but the depth of flow is going to change. So here the y is a variable. Okay, now for perimeter to be minimum, there is a condition that dp upon a variable dy should be equals to 0. Getting my point what I am saying? That perimeter to be minimum, the perimeter with respect to a variable should be equals to 0. Now let's see. We had perimeter as p is equals to v plus 2y. Now the p is in terms of b and y, but we need p in terms of y only because y is the variable. So we will convert this b in terms of y as area is equals to v into y. We know this. So b can be written as a upon y. So substituting this a upon y plus 2y. Okay, so now dp upon dy can be written as माइनस ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू डी पी अपॉन डी वाई. Okay, so now taking this again, we had minus a upon y square plus 2 is equals to 0. Since dp upon d y should be equals to 0, so from here we can write this a is equals to 2y square. So while comparing, we know that a is equals to b into y. Now it can be easily estimated that b can be equal to 2y. Yeah, b is equals to 2y, or we can say that y is equals to v by 2. So condition for a section to be economical is such that its width should be equal to twice its depth, or depth is equals to half of its width. So this is a very important condition for analyzing questions based on most economical and most efficient section, है ना. तो आपको एक कंडीशन यहाँ से पता लगी है कि b should be equals to 2y or y should be equal to b by 2. Now using these formulas, we'll see the condition. Condition क्या है बच्चों? b is equals to 2y और y is equals to b by. ओके, सो एक एक करके सारे पैरामीटर्स देखे हैं. अभी हमने निकाला था एरिया तो हमें पता है y की टर्म में कितना हो गया 2y स्क्वायर, पर पेरीमीटर कितना होगा बच्चों? p प्लस 2y, p प्लस 2y, और मुझको पता है b पहले से ही 2y है, तो 2y प्लस 2y इज इक्वल्स टू 4y. इज इट ओके? है ना. नेक्स्ट पेरीमीटर हो गया, एरिया हो गया. नाउ वी विल सी r, विच हाइड्रोलिक मीन रेडियस, विच इज इक्वल्स टू a अपॉन p. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. वी नो एरिया, वी नो पेरीमीटर. लेट्स सी इट. r is equals to a upon p. Area is 2y square, perimeter is 4y. y से y cancel out, 2 से 2 cancel out, r can be written as y by 2. Using these two condition, we can analyze anything, any parameters which is related to depth of flow, which is y. So here you can see here for the most economic channel, यहाँ एक देखिए क्वेश्चन है, फॉर द मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल चैनल सेक्शन फॉर रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन, पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड हियर दैट इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन, इज स्क्वायर सेक्शन फ्लोइंग विथ हाफ डेप्थ. इट्स वेरी मच सिंपल. मैंने अभी आपको बना के दिखाया था. ये b है, ये y है. अभी हमारी जो कंडीशन आई थी उसमें b क्या था बच्चों? 2y. सॉरी, b क्या था उसमें? 2y. और ये क्या है बच्चों? डेप्थ है y. तो बच्चों अगर मैं इसको पूरा कंप्लीट कर दूं, अगर ऊपर भी मैं y बना दूं, तो ऊपर वाला तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है 2y रहेगा. तो बच्चों यहाँ भी 2y, ये भी 2y है, ये भी 2y है, तो ये 2y का स्क्वायर हो गया ना. पर हमारा सेक्शन कितना है? इतना. तो ये हाफ नहीं है स्क्वायर का, इट इज़ अ हाफ ऑफ स्क्वायर सेक्शन. सो इट वाज द कंडीशन कि जो मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल सेक्शन चैनल है, रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन चैनल जो है, वो बेटा स्क्वायर सेक्शन का हाफ है. स्क्वायर सेक्शन का बिल्कुल हाफ है. इज इट ओके? क्लियर है ना? सो नेक्स्ट क्लास में we'll see the trapezoidal section. For now, thank you.